This is the eggs from my chicken. Bacon. Ayan na guys. Ayan na lagay yung tomatis, pepper, bacon. Ayan na siya guys. Napaka-healthy po kasi pepper, tomato, yan, organic, at saka yung ating itlog is organic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Love you all. Hello guys. Ito na yung aming almusal. Egg from the chicken. Yan, puro yan siya vegetable at saka isang bread. Yan, yan po aming almusal with red tea yung sa akin at saka with my vitamins here.